Hello children, how are you all? Welcome all of you to the fourth and the final episode of Linear Inequations. Here we are going to solve some of the previous year questions, and before that we are going to solve some of the questions from test yourself exercise. Let's not delay, let's start the session. Before that, welcome you all once again to my channel Ignite Math ARP. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Yes children, let us begin the exercise. Test yourself. Here I have chosen some of the questions since they are the revision exercises, children. Right, let us select some questions and work on them. Now here is the fourth question where you are going to solve the given inequation and choose the solution set from the set of natural numbers. So let me write the first part of the inequation. So it says 7x plus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. So 7x is bigger than 3x. So I'll take this 3x to the other side. So it's going to be 7x minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 5 minus 3. So 4x greater than or equal to minus 8. X is greater than or equal to minus 8 divided by 4, and x is greater than or equal to minus 2. And okay, look at the other part of the inequation, whatever is being given over here. Okay, so it says that x by 4 minus 5 smaller than or equal to 5 by 4 minus x. So minus x is smaller than x by 4 because it is negative. I will take this one to the other side and take this number to the other side. Okay, x by 4 plus of x smaller than or equal to 5 by 4 plus of 5. I can just write it as 5 by 1. So here LCM is going to be 1, 4 is going to be the LCM. So x plus 4x smaller than or equal to, here again 4 is going to be the LCM. So 5 plus 20 it is going to be. Clear children? So I can write this one as 5x by 4 smaller than or equal to 25 divided by 4. So 4 and 4 directly can be cancelled. X is smaller than or equal to 25 divided by 5. So that shows that x is smaller than or equal to 5. Clear children? So I can combine both the inequalities and write that x is greater than or equal to minus 2 and smaller than or equal to 5. Okay, you need to be very careful about the sign of inequality. Clear children? So now I can write the solution set. Pay attention. Solution set. Here they are asking you to find the set which satisfy the given inequation, right? So minus 2 is not at all a part of a natural number. Since the replacement set is a set of natural numbers, I need to choose the value of x from the set of natural numbers. So I should go ahead with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Why 5 I have taken? Because it is a lesser than or equal to 5. So 5 to be taken. Clear children? It is not asked you to represent on the number line, but you can represent it. Not necessary. Okay, but don't do it in the exam, which will take time but gives you no marks. Right children? So I can just write minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear children? Okay, so now here I need to put a dot on the numbers. I should not darken the intermediate place because replacement set is set of natural numbers. Clear children? So 1 is included, it's a part of solution set. This is also part of solution set. This is also part of solution set. 4 as well as 5. This is the solution set on the number line. Clear children? Let's move to the next one now. Look at the next question. Here question is solve where x is a positive odd integer. Need to be very careful children. X is positive odd integer. So x by 2 plus 5 smaller than or equal to x by 3 plus 6. Clear? So x by 2 is greater than x by 3. So I will take this x by 3 to the other side. X by 2 minus of x by 3 smaller than or equal to 6 minus 5. So LCM is going to be 6. Then it is going to be 3x minus 2x smaller than or equal to 1. So it is going to be x children. Correct children? Here I can just write this one as 3x minus 2x is x smaller than or equal to this x. 6 goes to the other side, 6. Now x is a positive integer and it's a odd integer. Clear? So now solution set is going to be, look at this, positive odd integer. X is smaller than 6. So I can write, see, 6 comes over here, right? So then 5 will be having, right, odd integers. So I should not take 6 because it should be an odd integer. So directly I can write 5, 3 and 1. Clear? So here 0 comes, 0 is neither positive nor negative, 0 should not be taken. After that you will be having it as negative numbers. So only these are the solution set. Clear, children? Why I am representing it in the rooster form? Because it clearly says that x is a positive odd integer, right? You can represent it on the number line like this. So 0, 1 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Don't forget to draw the arrowheads and at least two numbers on the either side of the upper bound and the lower bound. Okay, this is the number, this is the number, as well as this is the number. Clear, children? Okay, positive odd integer they're asking, right? So this is the solution set. Let's move to the next one now. So this is the question which has appeared in a 2024, that is previous year exam. Solve the following inequation, write down the solution set and represent it on the real number line. Clear? Okay, so here be very careful. Don't get confused that you have to write the solution set on the real number line, in the sense it should not darken the intermediate place. Here it is clearly given that x belongs to the set of integers. Be very careful about it. Clear? So now let us start solving it, children. So I'll just write it as 3 minus 3 plus x smaller than or equal to 7x by 2 plus 2 and again 7x by 2 plus 2 smaller than 8 plus 2x. So x belongs to the set of integers. Clear? Okay, so now minus 3 plus x smaller than or equal to 7x plus 4 by 2, because I have taken LCM over here. Then I will take this 2 to the other side. It is going to be minus 6 plus 2x smaller than or equal to 7x plus 4. So 7x is greater, so I will shift this one over here. So minus 6 minus 4 smaller than or equal to 7x minus of 2x. So I can write this one as minus 10 and 5x. I can write x is greater than or equal to minus 10 by 5. So I can write x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Right. So and the other part of the inequation, that is 7x by 2 plus x and 2x is here. So this will be 2 point something, right? Sorry, 3 point something. Then this is 2x. So I'll take this one to the other side. Clear? So I can write this one as 7x by 2 minus of 2x smaller than 8 minus 2. Here if I take LCM, it is going to be 7x minus of 4x by 2 smaller than 6. So this is going to be 3x smaller than 6 into 2, because if I take 2 to the other side. So I can write x is smaller than or equal to 12 by 3. X is smaller than or equal to 4. So I can combine both of them. X is greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay. So now be very careful. Here equal to sign is not there. Right. It is just x is smaller than. Correct. So now x is greater than or equal to minus 2 and x is smaller than 4. Clear, children? So what is the solution set? Since they are telling that the replacement set is set of integers. So solution set, I can write it as look at this, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 won't come because x is smaller than 4. Clear? X is greater than or equal to minus 2. That's why minus 2 is included. So now number line, I need to represent it. Draw the number line. Be very, very careful, children. Right. So this is 0. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. This arrowhead should be written. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least two number on the either side of the upper bound and lower bound. So now since it is integers, I need to put a dot on -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear, children, all of you? Right. So if you do like this, easily marks can be gained. Right. It was for 3 marks. Here I'll tell you how 3 marks are obtained. 1 mark, getting the solution correctly and writing the upper bound and lower bound correctly. Solution set 1 mark, and correct representation of the solution set on the number line. Okay. If it is 4 mark question, for the process you would have got 1 more mark. Clear, children? See the next question, children. This question has appeared in a 2023 examination. Okay. Now let us see how to solve it and how the marks distribution works. Clear? Right. So now let me write the question first. -5 x minus 9 greater than or equal to 17 minus of 9x, and okay, there are two parts, I need to split it. So 17 minus 9x greater than x plus 2, and x belongs to the set of real numbers. So now I'll consider the first part. -5x plus of 45 greater than or equal to 17 minus 9x. So -5x is greater than -9x. So I'll take -9x to the other side. -5x plus of 9x greater than or equal to 17 minus of 45. So here I'll get this one as a 4x greater than or equal to, I'll get this one as a 28, minus sign, because bigger number sign is minus. Then x is greater than or equal to -28 by 4, and x is greater than or equal to -7. Clear, children? Because 4 ones are 4, 7s are 28. Right. So now let us consider the other part. 17 minus 9x greater than x plus 2. Clear? So 9x I will take it this side, and 2 I will take it to the other side. So 17 minus 2 greater than or equal to x plus 9x. So I'll get this one as a 10x smaller than or equal to. Equal to is not there, be careful. It is just smaller than. Okay. So I'll just take this is smaller than 10x, then smaller than, I can write this one as 15. Correct, children? Okay, so I can write this one as 10x is smaller than 15, then x is smaller than 15 divided by 10. X is smaller than, I can cancel this, 5 2s are 5 3s are. Correct. So 3 by 2. So x is smaller than, okay, so 3 by 2. Clear, children? So I can write this one as x is smaller than 1 by 2. I can combine this, x is smaller than 1 by 2, and x is greater than or equal to -7. Clear, children? I will combine because I need to see the first part over here and the second part. I need to combine both of them and write the inequality like this. So now I should write the solution set. Solution set, you need to understand, the replacement set is a set of real numbers. So solution set should be written in the rule form. Clear? So I'll just write this one as x such that x belongs to the set of real numbers, and x is smaller than or equal to 1 by 2 and greater than, okay, smaller than, it's not greater, smaller than or equal to, and greater than or equal to -7. Clear, children? So now I'll write the solution set on the number line. So be very careful over here. As I told you, at least 2 numbers should be written extra on the either side of the solution set. -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now here see the lower bound, children, it is -7. Clear? So -7 is over here. I'll put a circle. Upper bound is 1 by 2. It is in between 1 and 2. So I'll write it over here. Then as I told you in the previous episode, this number should be written here. What does this circle represent? It represents 1 by 2. That should be written. And it is x is lesser than 1 1 by 2. So 1 1 by 2 is not included. So don't darken the circle over here. But minus 7 is included in the solution set. So you have to darken this circle. Okay, and draw a line and shade this region as well. This represents the solution set on the number line. So how the marks are distributed, please pay attention. Okay, it's a 3-mark question, children. Obviously, solution set 1 mark, representation of the solution set on the number line 1 mark. But over here you need to be very careful. This 1 mark won't be given if this is not written, extra 2 numbers are not written, okay, and arrowheads are not written. So you don't get this 1 mark. So be very alert about it. And getting the solution correctly and finding out the upper bound and lower bound will give you 1 mark. Is that clear, children? Either it can be written in this way or it can be written in separate way also. In both the ways you are going to get the marks. Clear? Yeah. So now let me go to the specimen paper 2025. Right. So I have chosen a question from the specimen paper. Let us solve that question now. So now here it is a 5x minus 21 smaller than 5x by 7 minus 6 and 5x by 7 minus 6 smaller than or equal to minus 3 by 7 plus of x, and x belongs to the set of real numbers. You should be very careful while identifying the set of replacement. Clear? So now what I do, I will take the LCM. Right. So it can be solved in many ways, children. First only you can take all the x on side, all the numbers on side, however you are comfortable with. You can do in that way also. Let us do in that way itself. Why to hurt you? Okay, 5x minus of 5x by 7 smaller than plus 21. Okay, minus 6 plus of 21. So here nothing is there, means 1 will be there. So after taking LCM, this becomes 35x minus 5x divided by 7. Okay, smaller than, this becomes a plus of 15. Clear, children? So 30x smaller than 15 into 7. So x is smaller than 15 into 7 divided by 30. So 15 ones are 15 twos are. X is smaller than 7 by 2. That means what? I can write this one as x is smaller than 3 1 by 2. Clear, children? Okay, now let's see the other part of the inequation. So that is 5x by 7. Here it is. So I will take the x, only x is here. I'll take it to the other side. Minus x smaller than or equal to, this can be written as minus of 21 plus 3 is 24 by 7 plus of 6. Clear? Nothing is there means what? 1 is there. So 5x minus of 7x by 7 smaller than or equal to minus of 24 plus of 42 by 7. Clear? So minus 2x by 7 smaller than 7 I will write over here. So 42 minus of 24, if you do, you will get it as 18. Clear, children? So 18, then I'll cancel this 7 and 7. So I'll multiply both the side of the inequality with minus sign. So it becomes 2x, it becomes minus 18. Sign of inequality will change. Clear, children? Okay, be very careful about the inequality sign. Right. So now x is greater than or equal to minus 18 by 2. That implies x is greater than or equal to minus 9. So now I'll combine both the inequalities, whatever I have got it. So I can write it as x is greater than or equal to minus 9. Okay, and smaller than 3 1 by 3. So I need to write the solution set. Solution set is x such that x belongs to the set of real numbers and x is smaller than 3 1 by 2, then greater than or equal to minus 9 for all values of x. Now my job is to represent this one on the number line. So minus 11 I will start with, then minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, okay, minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Clear, children? See the upper limit here, I mean lower limit is minus 9. I will draw a circle on minus 9. It is greater than or equal to minus 9. So I need to darken this circle. And x is smaller than 3.5. 3.5 in the sense it will come over here. 3.5 is not included. So don't darken this circle. So I need to join this. I need to join this one and shade the region, okay, in between. Okay. So this is your solution set on the number line. Clear, children? Is that clear? Right. So now let us move to the next question. That is a question from the year 2014. Right. Find the values of x which satisfy the inequation. So now let us start solving it. Solution. Look at this. Minus 2 5 by 6. Can I directly write this one as a minus of 17 by 6? Smaller than 1 by 2, then minus of 2x by 3, right? Then 2 over here, x belongs to the whole number, and graph the solution set. Clear? So now again I'll split this one into two parts. So minus 17 by 6 smaller than 1 by 2 minus of 2x by 3, and 1 by 2 minus of 2x by 3 smaller than or equal to 2. Clear? So now I have to make the x as positive always. So I will take this one over here and this one over here. So I can write this one as 2x by 3 smaller than 1 by 2 plus of 17 by 6. So 2x by 3 smaller than 6 is going to be the LCM, 3 plus 17. So 2x, okay. So 2x by 3 smaller than 20 by 6 I can write. Clear, children? So this one can be written as a, look at this, x is smaller than 20 by 6 into 3 by 2. So 1 za, 2 za, 1 za, 10 za, 1 za, 5 za. So x is smaller than 5 I got. So and here I will be solving this one over here, children. Okay, since no place over here. So what can I do here? 1 by 2. Then I'll take this minus 2x by 3 to the other side and the number to the other side. So this becomes minus 2. 2x by 7 is greater than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2. So 1 minus 4 by 2, 2x by 7. So minus 3 by 2 I can write over here 2x by 7. As I told you, I can write this one as 2x by 7 greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, so because on transferring it happens so. Clear? So I can write this one as a x is greater than or equal to minus of 21 by 4. So x is greater than or equal to minus 5 1 by 4. I'll combine both the inequalities and write x is greater than or equal to minus 5 1 by 4 and x is smaller than 5. See, x belongs to the set of whole numbers. So solution set should be written in the Brewster method. Okay, solution set is going to be, so whole numbers in the sense 0 I need to choose, 1 2 3 and 4. 5 should not be included. Clear? Because x is smaller than 5, it is not equal to 5. So now I need to represent this one on the number line. Look at this, children. This is going to be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Clear, children? So this is going to be minus 1 minus 2. So the solution set on the number line would be 0 1 2 3 and 4. Clear, children? This is your solution set, and this is your last question of the playlist, I can say. inequations. Clear, children? Okay, I hope so. The all the episodes are very fruitful and you are taking the best use of it. Clear, children? So please don't forget to subscribe the channel and motivate me to do more videos like this.